Hello everyone. I recently attended an auricular acupressure workshop with Jolly ma'am, Kalolini ma'am. It was for 8 days and it was supposed to be for 8 days rather for 8 hours, and it extended much more than what it was intended to, because ma'am did not want to finish it halfway through or rush through the program. So she took more time, more number of hours and more number of days to tell us what she intended to do in the workshop. So we learnt about acupressure points in and around in the ear basically, which would heal common or help us to get over common conditions, say muscle cramps, pain, stressed out conditions and multiple other things. We were amazed to see that the ear actually had pressure points for the entire body, including all the internal organs as well as all the external organs that we see. And during the course of the workshop, what made it very interesting was the interaction of all the students with their inputs, the questions which were asked and the clarifications both from the student side and from ma'am's side made the learning very enjoyable. And so once we started practicing these points on ourselves on a daily basis, I found that some portions of my muscle cramps or stiffness of my spine muscles got settled down actually, and I had less stiffness in my muscles during the course of my work day. And I've also been practicing it on some of my family members as and when I can have time and they have time to. So only by actually experiencing the changes that the acupressure would give me, and from the effect that it produces in immediate family member, it's I'll be able to understand how the system works, and it would be a learning. It would be an important part of my learning journey. Thanks to you, ma'am, for having taken us through this workshop and having taken so much of pains to give all your inputs. Thank you so much.